answer. Convert example question number 15. Convert 124.68 base 10 to base 5. We've been doing similar questions, but we've been converting from base 10 to base to other bases. But here now we'll not be converting from base 10 to another base, which is similar to what we've been doing before, but we've not treated based on this decimal point. 124.68 base 10 is what we are converting to another base. But now we'll solve this 124, that is this integer, we'll solve it separately, and then we'll solve this decimal fraction separately. Now we're having something like this, 124, which is our normal way of converting base 10 to another base. That is, we'll divide until further division is not possible, and then we'll read our answers upward. 124 divided by 5 is 24, remainder 4. That is 5 times 24 is 120. 124 minus 120 will give us 4 as a remainder. 5 again, 24 divided by 4 is 5, remainder 4 is 4, remainder 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 24 minus 20 will give us 4. And then it's not possible for us to divide again, so we just put our 4 here. That means 124 base 10 is equals to 4 base 5. Now, this decimal fraction, this decimal aspect is the same thing as 68 all over 100. Which, if we reduce it further, but while reducing it further, we are interested in getting an answer in base 5, which means this denominator must be a multiple of 5. If we divide this by 4, we get 17. If we divide this by 4, we get 25. So we'll be having 17 all over 25. And this 17 over 25, we can reduce it further. We can split it to something like 15 all over 25 plus 2 all over 25. Splitting it, then reducing this 15 over 25, we have something like 5 here is 3. That is 15 divided by 5 is 3. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So we have 3 all over 5 plus 2 all over 25. Now expressing this maybe in a straight format, not in a fraction format, we will have something like 3 times 5 raised to minus 1 plus 2 times 5 raised to power minus 2. That is equal to 3 over 5 raised to 1 plus 2 over 5 raised to 2. So, can you see that this is quite similar to things we've been solving before? That is 0.68 base 10 is equal to this, which we can then say that 0.68 base 10 is equal to, all we just need to take is just these 2. That will be 32 on base 5. We combine these 2, that is the whole number and the fraction, decimal fraction together. That is, by the time we combine this 124 and the decimal aspect, base 10, we can now, or don't let me just say that, let's just continue. Then we'll now combine this 32 and 44 together. That is 44, 44. Remember that this one is 0.32 base 5 plus 0.32 base 5 is equal to 124.68 base 10, and then we can then say that it is equal to 444.32 base 5, which is our final answer. Our next question is number 16. Arrange the following numbers in descending order magnitude: 22 base 3, 34 base 5, and 21 base 6. We can't just arrange them just like that without having a uniform base. That is, we have to convert them to the same base for us to know the one which is the highest, and then arrange them in the descending order. That is, and the convenient base to which we can convert the three numbers, the three set of numbers, is to convert them to base 10. So that's all we'll be doing now. We have 22, 34, and 21. 22 base 3, 22 base 3, and then we have 34 base 5, and 21 base 6. So this one is equal to 0, 1. That will be 2 times 3 raised to the power 1 plus 2 times 3 raised to the power 0, which is equal to 2 times 3 raised to the power 1 is 6, plus 3 raised to the power 0 is 1 times 2, that's 2, which is equal to 8 base 10. This one is equal to this 0, this 1. That will be 3 times 5 raised to the power 1 plus 4 times 5 raised to the power 0, which is equal to 5 raised to the power 1 is 5 times 3 is 15 plus 5 raised to the power 0 is 1 times 4, that's 4, which is equal to 19 base 10. Okay? Then 21 base 6 is equal to, that will be 2 times 6 raised to the power 1 plus 1 times 6 raised to the power 0, which is equal to 6 raised to the power 1 is 6, that is 6 in one place, times 2, that's 12, plus 1 times 6 raised to the power 0 is 1, plus 1, and 6 raised to the power 0 is 1 times 1, that's 1, equals to 13 raised to the power 13 is 10. Now, if we should check the order of magnitude, we'll say that this one is the highest, followed by this, and then this. Then we can now say that since we have been asked to order it in the descending order, arrange it in descending order, that means 34 base 5 will be the first one, that is our highest, followed by 21 base 6, and then we have 22 base 5. This is the order. This is the descending order that we can have. This is the highest, followed by this, followed by this. This is the highest. Then followed by 21 base 6, and then 22 base 3. And that gives us the correct answer. Next question is on multiplication. What is 21021 base 3 times 102 base 3? Leave your answer in base 3. We are going to multiply 21021 by 102. 21021 by 102 base 3. 2 times 1 is 2, that is not up to 3, so it's still a remainder. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 divided by 3 is possible. That's 1, remainder 1. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1, that's 1. Still a remainder is not up to 3. It's not possible to divide that by 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Also, it's not possible to divide it without having a remainder. It's just a remainder. It's not a multiple of 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Is having a value which is more than the multiple of 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 divided by 3 is 1. Remainder 1. This one will just bring it down. Okay, now move to the second digit that we are having here. 0 times 1, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0. Okay, now repeat, we are now going to start with this 1. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, it's not up to 3. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. All these values are not up to 3. We now add all these our answers.